welcome to Nasdaq Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq. Joining us for this segment, we have Casey Rosenthal, CEO of Verica.io. Casey, it's great to have you with us. Welcome to Trade Talks.
Thank you so much. Great to be here.
All right, you got it. And Verica is a continuous verification company. Can you explain to us what continuous verification means?
Sure. Great question. So continuous verification is the third part of a series of evolutions that infrastructure and our industry has gone through as software learns to deal with complex systems at scale. So the first part of that really kind of took off around 2005 is continuous integration, or CI. And that's the process of automating how we pull software and code together from many different engineers into one product. And that enabled companies to basically develop features faster. So the second part of that is continuous delivery, CD. And that was coincident with the rise of DevOps across the industry. And that automated the process of getting code in front of customers. So with CI, we can build features faster. With CD, we can take that code and build it and get it into production environments that customers can experience it faster. CV, the capstone piece to that, is a mechanism by which we can make sure that we continue to get the business properties that we want out of a complex system. So if CI and CD make us move faster, CV is what helps us do that without breaking things. So continuous verification automates the process of making sure that we still have availability and security and other things that a business wants to optimize for while the engineers are able to build features faster and get them in front of customers faster.
So Casey, what would you say is the number one problem that Verica solves?
Delivering confidence as you work in a complex software system. So again, with all of that quick movement, software systems across the industry are dealing with an unprecedented surge in incidents like availability incidents, outages, things like that, and security incidents. And this is just a result of us being in a period where we're working with more and more complex systems, and a complex system specifically being one where a single human can't mentally model how all of the pieces fit together. So that's where we find ourselves in, as a state, as an industry in software, and continuous verification helps us navigate that complexity. It helps us find a path forward, again, to deliver what the customers need and what the business needs to optimize for while we're moving so quickly in these complex systems.
And Verica launched The Void in October. Can you tell me more about that?
Sure. Yeah, the Void is great. It's a database that stands for the Verica Open Incident Database. It started as an internal project where we started gathering research on publicly available data about incidents, availability and security incidents. And we did that so that we could mine that data to create better verifications and add more pertinent features in the product. And we had a bunch of interest from different research communities like LFI and others. So we put that database online so that anybody can now mine that data or contribute to it. And we're getting a lot of great artifacts, a lot of great research being done on that as a canonical source where you can go and find technical information about outages, just across the internet and the software industry.
And is there anyone else in the market that has this continuous verification solution?
Not yet. We're the only commercially available continuous verification product, which is really exciting. We get to pioneer a lot of these features, yeah, it's a fun place to be right now.
And finally, Casey, I saw that you announced a recent Series A raise. What will this allow the company to do, and what does 2022 look like for Verica?
Yeah, thanks for asking. So it's obviously some of that is going to go into enhancing the product and adding new features, but the majority of it is going to go towards building out our customer success engineering and sales functions that the new customers that we bring on in 2022 have a delightful experience using our product. We've got a couple large customer announcements coming out in the next couple of weeks. So we're really excited about 2022 and where that's going to take us.
All right, Casey, we appreciate the insight. Thanks for joining us on Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq.
Thank you so much.